How to watch NBC Live on Roku. Turn on your Roku device and connect it to the internet. Press the home button on your Roku remote to go to the main menu. Go to the Roku channel store from the menu. Select the search option in the channel store. Type NBC in the search bar and choose the NBC app. Select Add Channel to install the NBC app on your Roku. Wait for the app to install and return to the home screen. Open the NBC app from your list of channels. Sign in with your TV provider account if required. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in. Browse the app to find live NBC broadcasts and shows. Alternatively, watch free NBC content through the Roku channel, or use an HD TV antenna to access local NBC broadcasts. Thank you for watching.